with a 2014 Mercedes-Benz GL550. This is the V8 twin turbo. We're going to be replacing this antifreeze hose. This actually goes it's a really fragile piece. It goes on the front of the engine. A lot of times it gets broken when you're changing belts or doing any maintenance. This one happened to break right here on that front top connection, but it runs kind of along the front, splits off over to the reservoir, so right to the top of the reservoir there, and then back actually connecting to the radiator. It's got two different kinds of connections. This one right here goes into the engine. This one goes into the radiator, and then this one up here goes into the reservoir. So to take these off, pretty easy. You just have to, for this one, you just kind of get a screwdriver or a punch or anything small and kind of sharp. You put it in the top there, kind of get some pressure, and that clip releases itself there. This allows you to kind of give it a wiggle, and it pops right off. So that's for this type of connection here. And for the one on the engine, it's even easier, I would say. You just kind of take a screwdriver or whatever tool you have that's sharp, kind of pop it up, and once it's completely up, you just kind of do the same thing, give a little bit of a wiggle to that piece in there, and eventually it will pop out. There we go. So you can see there's a little O-ring. There's a lot of pressure on these lines to just have them connected like this, but it works pretty well until they break. But if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Otherwise, I hope this video is helpful. It's a pretty common thing to break on these engines. So good luck with your project, guys, and have a great day.